Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap Douglas local and long distance movers near me. 3 Movers is one of the best movers in Douglas, Arizona. Our professional crews provide top-notch service to residential and commercial customers, assisting with local and long-distance moves. Moving long distance is a significant life transition, and most people find it stressful but also exciting. Building a new life in a new place is a big deal, and you can get off to a great start when you have a satisfactory experience with your relocation project. One way to improve the process is by choosing a top-quality moving company like 3 Movers. You can begin to evaluate movers by interviewing their representatives when they come to your home to submit an estimate for the work. A reputable moving company will inspect the household goods you want to ship, and you can get a good idea of their professionalism by how thoroughly they review your shipment. Keep in mind that long-distance moving costs are determined mainly by the shipment's weight, making the survey and inventory especially important. A high-quality moving company will provide you with a clear, written estimate of the costs and a detailed inventory of everything you want to ship. Pay attention to the remarks noted about the condition of your furniture and other items. If something you ship is damaged during transit, it's essential that the inventory accurately indicates that it was in good condition before the move. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Douglas moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.